terribly frightened.
Look at your house! It is no match for me.
Mr. Foxy stood there, excited, thinking about his strength. This is the right time to escape. LD used the moment and ran towards his brother Medley's home.
Oh no! He is escaping!
Mr. Foxy followed LD, but before he could reach LD, he reached Medley's house.
Come back! Come back! I will not spare you! Come back!
Medley! Medley! Open the door! Fast! What's the matter?
Medley opened the door.
Close the door! Close it! The wicked fox is following me! Bob, I hope this house won't fall down. Let's lean against the door so he can't break in.
Both LD and Medley leaned on the door. Now Mr. Foxy again tapped the door. Outside, the wolf heard the pig's words. His mouth started watering. The thought of 2 pigs for dinner made him very hungry.
Hello, dears. Open up. I only want to speak to you. You are mistaking me.
Go away! We will not open the door. It's no use standing here. Go away!
Ah, again I have to show my power. There is no other go.
Mr. Foxy again drew a very deep breath and blew the house down.
Oof! Puff!
The wooden house collapsed like a pack of cards.
Where are they? Hey you, little ones! Where are you?
Both LD and Medley somehow managed to escape from the fox and ran towards Yowley's house. Luckily, the wise little Yowley was looking out of the window and saw his fleeing brothers. He immediately opened the door and allowed them in.
Why are you running like this?
The fox is behind us.
Do not worry. You will be safe here. Now, calm down.
Just then, there was a big bang